This quick guide will teach you how to join a Webex meeting without using the app. Whether you're on a device where downloading the app isn't feasible, or you simply prefer not to install additional software, you can still easily join Webex meetings using just your web browser. I'm going to walk you through this straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to web.webex.com. This is the main portal for accessing WebEx meetings directly through your browser. Once you're on the site, take a moment to ensure you're on the right page, as this will be your hub for joining meetings without needing the app. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on Meetings. This section allows you to manage your schedule and access any meetings you've been invited to or are hosting. By clicking Meetings, you're one step closer to joining your desired session. Now you'll see an option to start a meeting. Click on this to move forward. Even if you're joining someone else's meeting and not starting your own, this will take you to the right interface to proceed with joining a session. It's a crucial step to ensure you're in the correct area for entering meeting details. Once you click Start a Meeting, you'll notice a button that says Join. Go ahead and click Join, which is typically located prominently on the page. This is your gateway into the meeting space. Clicking Join will direct you to a page where you can input the necessary information to access the meeting. Finally, you'll need to enter the meeting information. This typically includes the meeting number or access code, and sometimes a password depending on the security settings of the meeting you're trying to join. Be sure to have this information ready, as it's essential for gaining entry to the meeting. If you're unsure of these details, you can usually find them in the meeting invitation email or message you received. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through joining a WebEx meeting without needing to download the app. This method is particularly useful if you're on a public or shared computer, or if you're just looking to quickly jump into a meeting without any extra steps. Remember, having a stable internet connection is key to ensuring a smooth experience. If you run into any issues, make sure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes cause compatibility problems with WebEx. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to join a WebEx meeting using just your browser. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and have a great meeting.